Good day, it's Myra Dill with EFit Nutrition, and today we are talking about brain food. So hopefully the next 5 minutes will make you feel smarter and eat smarter. So why are we talking about brain food, and how does the brain actually function when it comes to food, and what does that mean? So there's a big word, synaptic plasticity, and all that means in a very simplified term is that we want your brain pathways to be flexible. Flexibility is important as far as your body goes. It's also important as far as how those neurons of your brain are connecting to each other. So plasticity means that they are talking to each other and they're able to form new pathways. So as we get older, it's more difficult for those pathways to be formed, and we don't necessarily want to be have that impacted by bad food choices. So what are good food choices? So good food choices, a spice like turmeric, which one of my colleagues was speaking about earlier in terms of adding to food. Turmeric has curcumin in it, which is the Indian flavors. You get a lot of turmeric in that. It's great in terms of its antioxidant level, and there's very good data that shows that it actually helps with cognitive development and also impacting the halting of cognitive decline. So turmeric, put that one at the top of your list. Next one I'd like to talk about is folic acid. So folic acid can be found in spinach, oranges, and yeast. So maybe that yeast you're putting on your popcorn is not so bad after all. So why is folic acid important? There's some data out there that it may help to decline age-related natural decline in cognition. So keep that spinach up there, have some nice healthy oranges, and we're looking for color in a lot of our brain foods. What about a diet rich in omega-3s? So omega-3 fatty acids are your nice healthy fats. Most people think of fish, cold water salmon as a classic marine way of getting it. Krill oil you'll see as well. But did you also know that you can get it through kiwi fruit? So you have some plant options. Commonly known one is flaxseed, but the least commonly known one, which they are absolutely delicious right now in the stores, are kiwi fruit. So don't spit out those seeds. Enjoy your brain food. Walnuts and butternuts are also a good source of omega-3s. Glutathione is something that is on the fringe, which a lot of people research and want to take supplements for. But that's also in spinach, in our beautiful Bermuda avocados, as well in asparagus and in okra. So you can get natural forms of glutathione, which is fantastic. So you've got some great sources for brain food in Bermuda. And if we look at what we want to balance in our diet, we want color, we want variety on our plate, we want lots of plants, lots of vegetables in there, some of our really good fruits as well. Tomatoes are an excellent source of antioxidants, and we really want to balance our plate out. So we're trying to decrease our bad fats and increase those really healthy fats in your diet. So we are going for color, we're going for the right quantity, and we're looking for a little bit of excitement when we add in different spices like turmeric, keeping that brain as healthy as possible. If you want some in-depth knowledge as far as functional foods and a list of brain foods, feel free to send me an email, efitbda@gmail.com, and we're going to make you as smart as possible through your food choices for the rest of your life. Thanks for joining us today.